Hey there, folks. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to delete your Facebook page. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Let's jump right in. Deleting your Facebook page is a straightforward process. Here's what you need to do. Start by accessing the Facebook page you want to delete. Navigate to your Facebook menu by tapping on the menu button. Switch to the page you wish to delete. Once you're on the page, tap on the menu button again, then select the settings icon, often looks like a gear. In the settings, search for delete and tap on delete page name. Facebook will then guide you through the process. You'll have the option to deactivate the page temporarily or proceed with deletion. If you're sure you want to delete the page, follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Remember to save any important information before proceeding. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like and consider subscribing for more useful tips. Peace out.